Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing Friendsmas. I'm just got off work. I had to work a few hours. So we're trying to get ready to head over there shortly. I need to gather out the presents that belong to the people at this party and get that stuff put together in one spot. So I'm gonna handle that. And I also got cookies in the oven I'm trying to finish baking. Basically, I'm trying to bake some cookies, the ones that I froze a while ago, so I can have those ready to take some. And then I just need to top off the pie and pull out all the rest of the cookies that I'm taking over there. My hair is a hot mess today. For the pie, I've learned that these peppermint sprinkles, you don't put them on until you get where you're going, because if pie heats up in the car at all, these bleed into the whipped cream on top. So I will just take those with me. I need to finish the pie though. I did it the other day and I didn't film because basically I got woke up at like 4 a.m. because the neighbor dog was barking and I couldn't sleep. So I ended up getting up, taking a shower, and making my pie. So, it's basically called candy cane pie. You're supposed to use an Oreo crust. I can never find them anymore, so I just did this chocolate one. But the first layer is the fluff. I need to add Cool Whip to the top, and then I'll put the sprinkles on when we get there. But I just want to, like I said, prep what I can before I head out. And then I'm probably going to eat a snack or something because I'm not going over there till like 3, and we're not eating dinner till 5. I'll try to get some clips while I'm there, but to be honest, sounds like everyone's kind of sick and not doing well over there. This is my friend with the 2 kids, and she's hosting, but I'll try to get some clips. I mean, we're gonna be playing White Elephant and stuff like that. But I have a feeling this is just gonna be a whole lot more chill of an evening. So nothing too crazy. Let me check something here. The only thing I got left is the cookies, and then gathering everything to go to the car. I'm gonna start packing this one with cookies to take. I know I have a few more I need to put in here. But yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do these ones last. So all my cookies are ready to go, and the sprinkles for the top of the pie. I went ahead and started boxing up all the cookies that needed to go home. So like this is for my parents, my grandparents, which I got to finish off. This is for a friend from church. And I have one more of these buckets left because I normally give cookies to somebody else at church, but I don't see her anymore. She goes to a different service. So I might use that to fill with candy to send home. I don't know. But I also have the 2 tins here, which I'll put some of those I've been baking in, and then the sugar cookies from my grandparents. And then how cute is this? I bought these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought I could wear them. I mean, there's nothing in them, but I thought they were cute. And might be nice to wear. So I'm gonna wear this. Well, change in plans. I got like half, not even, probably a quarter of the way there, and she texts us that she's pretty sure she caught the stomach bug her kids had the other day. and she feels like vomiting. So we are not going. My other friend Susan's gonna come by with the appetizers she made because she was in charge of appetizers, and we're just gonna have a little night, just the two of us. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but she's got to take care of herself, and I don't want to get sick. My other friend doesn't want to get sick. And from what I've heard, that stomach bug those kids are bringing home from daycare and school is horrendous and just goes through the house, and that's the last thing I want, is to get sick. So we're just gonna give her some time to get better, and we'll take gifts to her a different day and try to figure out, yeah, the white elephant. If we have to, maybe we'll just draw numbers and those are the gifts that everybody gets and make it simple, you know. So I'll see what clips I get through the next couple days, kind of vlog a little bit. I know tomorrow or Monday I gotta ship presents. You saw I prepped all the cookies and stuff, so that's ready to go. Yeah. So I'll check in with you a little bit later when I figure out what we're doing. Monday morning. Yeah, this weekend didn't quite go as planned. Let me adjust this a little. Obviously Friendsmas was canceled. One friend did come over here, and I mean, we had mocktails and dinner and open gifts, which you would have seen. But I didn't film a lot. Yesterday we went to church, and then I just kind of had a chill day. Riley lost a random molar, which kind of concerned me, and he was acting a little weird, so I was kind of paying more attention to him. So didn't vlog much. Today we're gonna vlog a little bit. We get to play what I like to call Christmas Tetris. I gotta package up all the gifts and cookies that I'm sending to my grandparents and to my parents. So it's always fun trying to get them into one box if possible. However, I do know I might have to split my parents' stuff up. All right, let's not judge the state of this room, because obviously most of what's in here is gift wrapping, or I mean package stuff. Let me move this out of the way. So as you can see, I have a few boxes, random boxes. These are going to be the ones that I'm picking from to ship. And then whatever I don't use, I will be getting rid of today. All right, I'm gonna start, I think, with the grandparents because they're just gonna be the smallest and probably easiest one to play with. So I'm gonna go grab real quick the gifts tape, and then the cookies so we can kind of play with what we need to do. Yeah, because see, this is pretty much all I'm shipping to them. All right, what do we got here? Yeah, I think these boxes are gonna be too big. I might have to sneak outside and grab a couple boxes out of the recyclables. And I'm going to tape these tins or copper, whatever you want to call these, the cookies shut. Because I've had years where in the process of shipping, they've busted open. So I've just learned over the years that taping them helps secure them. Oh, nope. And yes, my parents get more stuff because there's more people in the household, because there's both my brothers, and then my brother has his 2 kids that are living there right now. So they have a few more people to give cookies to, and obviously there's more gifts going to that household as well. Now let's get some estimates on what this stuff's gonna cost. Actually, that's not too bad then. I was expecting it to be a whole lot worse. But I bet if I would have put them all in one big box, it probably would have been worse price-wise, because that box would have been so heavy. It's what? Almost 10 o'clock. I think I'm going to take the puppy out. You want to go outside and go potties, baby? And then probably get ready to head out, because I want to get this done sooner than later. And the sooner it goes out, the sooner it might ship. All right, got all the packages here. So I'm gonna load up the car and get them to UPS so I can get them shipped today. And then I think this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. I hope you enjoyed coming along over the last few days, a little bit of holiday type stuff. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.